Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little fireworks show here. I got some chameleon shells, 3 of these thunder shells, and I got 1 Hellcat can. Okay, I'm gonna do this chameleon shell out of the Hellcat can tube. Okay, let's do another one of those chameleon shells. Okay. Okay, let's finish the rest of these shells here off. Okay, what the hell? Went with that one? That one didn't pop right. Okay, let's do another one. I don't know, that one was a dub for some reason. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna finish these 2 ball shells, and then I'm gonna do the Hellcat can, and then I'm gonna do these 3 thunder shells. Alright, let's do this like the other one. Alright, let's do... Okay, that was the last ball chameleon shell. Okay, let's do this Hellcat can right here. Okay, now let's do the thunder shells. Alright, I want to go get the other tube. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do these last 2 shells. And that's a heavy hitter right there. I still got a whole case of these thunder shells left. These are the ones that I got out right now. Okay, put this one in here. Alright. Let's see if I can get both of them at the same time. I'll just do one at a time. I ain't trying to have blow up in my face. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's do the other one. It's the thunder shell. If I had a torch, if I had my torch light at work, I could have got both of them.